Hiya. I thought I'd just quickly take a break. I'm here in the peace circle digging clay. A lot of clay. Right, since we've last seen each other, and I've got to admit, it's been a long time, too long. And Andy, sorry I've not been in touch either. Thing is, we've been busy building a peace circle.
What kind of crazy are you?
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you? Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Now you know you're crazy. Well, what you gonna do?
But first, just to make this video work, let me tell you about last Sunday. Because last Sunday, a very talented photographer came to visit us. Tobias Holzer, his name is. And he brought his drone with him and he flew all around the land and made 3 videos. Look. Right there's a link to go see all 3 videos on his channel. Don't forget to subscribe while you're there, will you? This is the peace circle so far.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What kind of crazy are you?
Besides the everyday jobs we've been doing with the goats and the sheep and what have you, we've been digging for here now for the past month. There'll be just a little bit left to dig out there, that corner there, all the way to where Drake is, and then the circle will be complete. The best thing of it all though is everything we've dug out.
What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you? What kind of crazy are you?
You could get all wonky, acting like a monkey. Just gotta keep it funky. You might come up with something new. If you're feeling idle, maybe you and I could ride a unicycle while playing a kazoo.
Oh, the earth that we've dug out, we've found out when I did an earth test.
Hit it.
It's perfect clay, which means I can play, I can build, I can create cob, and this winter there'll be so many projects. I've got a rocket fuel stove oven, a rocket fuel heater planned, I've got a pizza oven planned, and I've actually got my first cob buildings planned. And the great thing is it's all here, so I was able to fly the clay to the house.
Well, if you've got odd behavior, then do yourself a favor. Just love your crazy flavor, let it all shine through. Don't let the straight and formal fool you that they are normal, because you know that they are all just crazy like you.
Yeah, yo, Yo, I was crazy as a baby and I never changed. Some people hide their crazy, I put mine on center stage. They used to scream, yo, you're making a scene, stop that. And now I rock hip hop in a purple top hat. And they still screaming, now they scream, oh yeah. I hope I rock a show in Oz and you're all there. I'm a secret agent, acting normal is my alias, but I'm the craziest, far out like aliens.
Which, compared to bringing it from the other part of Switzerland with the lorry and then the helicopter, is a whole lot cheaper, and it's all free. I don't have to pay anyone for this clay because it's all just laid there bare. Well, it wasn't bare, it had grass on it and other things, but we dug it out and now we've got a whole lot. I've got one more story to tell you. Back in 2021, when Claudia and I both decided it's time to start something like this, we said one of the important things that we want to build on the land is a peace circle. And that was actually the first reason people stopped taking us seriously. They started laughing at us. And they're saying, a peace circle, what's that? Nah, we think you're crazy. I mean, everything up to that point, to the point of a peace circle. And now, on the 5th of October, we're going to have our opening ceremony of the peace circle. So, what's the moral of the story? My word is worth something. And if I say I'm going to build a peace circle, I'm going to be the peace circle.
Kinda crazy are you?
What's the peace circle for? Well, I hope we can have some peace negotiations on here, because the most important thing for our earth right now would and should and could be peace. Then you can have concerts, you can have yoga hours, you can have ceremonies, you can have anything you want can happen here on this peace circle. We've got the guest house for accommodation, so you can have your retreats here on this peace circle. Do whatever, as long as it's in good intention, it comes from the heart, and it helps the world be a more peaceful place. That's what it's here for. Right, I think that's enough. I've showed you quite a bit of what I've been doing the past 4 weeks, and now I've got to get back to emptying that wheelbarrow to fill it more, because that bit still needs to go. So thanks for watching, thanks for being you, thanks for subscribing, commenting, and whatever else you do with this video. Let me tell you, the world's a better place just because you're here. Thanks a lot for doing you. See you soon, everybody, and I hope it won't take me as long as this time to be the next time. Anyway, thanks for visiting.